Hey everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get input from the user. So basically, when you are asking for input, you need to use the input function. So suppose writing input, and here whatever you write, based on that we can give some input. So let's write uh, YouTube channel. So YouTube channel name, and let's run this one. And here you can see that basically this is asking me for a YouTube channel name. So you can see there is no space here, so let's edit this some maybe. So let's run this again. Yeah, so YouTube channel name, and let's type take Tian. So if I hit enter, you can see nothing is happening. So I want to print out the answer with something else as well. So let's keep this in, um, let's write YouTube channel equal to input. So this YouTube channel will contain the value whatever user is providing. So let's type print, then let's have some concatenation again. So YouTube my YouTube channel is, then concatenation, then let's provide this here. So let's run this test, and this is asking me for YouTube channel name. So let's write take Tian, and if I hit enter, you can see my YouTube channel is take Tian. So if I run this test again and write something else, like for instance, something else can be Ninja Tian, and if I hit enter, you can see my YouTube channel is Ninja Tian. So basically, whatever you are typing here, this is providing the output with this string text. So let's have some another example. So let's write age equal to input, then let's ask for the age. So what is your age? And here let's print something as well. So let's print my age is, then age. Okay, so let's run this one. First, this is asking me for this. So let's close this one for a while. Run this. What is your age? So let's say 100. My age is 100. And if I just remove this one and use both of them, how can I use both of them? So I can just write channel, I can just write this YouTube channel over here, and plus, then so this will basically say, this will first take the input of YouTube channel, then this will take the input of age, then this will print the channel's age. So let's run this one. So first, this is asking me for the YouTube channel name, and the channel name is suppose take Tian. Then this is asking me what is your age, sorry. So this will be what is channel's age. Channel's age. Let's run this again. So YouTube channel name is suppose take Tian. What is channel's age? Suppose 100. So now this is showing me that take Tian's age is 100. So that is basically how you can use the input function. Basically, whenever you are using this, you can just store the value somewhere. In this case, YouTube channel, in this case, age, and you can later show the value like print. So that's basically how input works. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.